Hello, welcome to our video on how to study more effectively and remember content better. First, let's talk about some proven methods for studying more effectively. Active studying is one of them. It involves actively engaging with the material, such as highlighting important information, taking notes, summarizing main points, and teaching the material to someone else. Spaced repetition is another method. It's a technique of reviewing information at increasing intervals of time, which helps to move the information from short-term to long-term memory, making it easier to recall. Practice testing is also a good method, where you test yourself on the material, rather than just reviewing it. Chunking, which is a method of organizing information into smaller, manageable chunks, can help to break up the information and make it easier to understand and remember. Prioritizing is also important. It's a method of focusing on the most important information first, which helps to ensure that you are spending your study time on the most important material. Additionally, sleep and physical exercise are important for cognitive function and memory. Getting adequate rest and regular physical activity can help improve your ability to retain and recall information. It's important to note that not all methods work for everyone. It's important to find the method that works best for you, and a combination of different methods may work better for some people. Furthermore, creating a suitable study environment and schedule can also help in studying effectively. Now let's talk about some common reasons why people find it difficult to study and remember content. Lack of interest, poor study habits, poor memory, overloading of information, lack of understanding, multitasking, stress, and lack of sleep can all make it difficult to study and remember content. It's important to note that everyone is different, and the reasons why some people find it difficult to study and remember content may vary. Identifying the cause of the difficulty can help find ways to improve the study and retention of the content. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of studying on our brains. Studying can improve memory, increase focus and concentration, enhance cognitive flexibility, develop problem-solving skills, enhance creativity, increase self-confidence, help to reduce stress, and increase the ability to plan and organize. Regularly studying and engaging with new information can have a positive impact on cognitive function and overall brain health. It's important to remember that studying is not just about memorizing facts and figures, it's about actively engaging with the material, understanding it, and making connections between different pieces of information. By using effective study methods, identifying and addressing any difficulties, and understanding the benefits of studying, you can improve your ability to study more effectively and remember content better. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember to find the method that works best for you, and don't hesitate to seek help if you continue to have difficulty. Happy studying!